Oh, what? Huh? What you want? Oh, my coffee, it's inside. I'm so not set up yet. Yes. Alright. Yeah, dirt all over. You've been rolling in dirt. Huh? Been rolling in dirt. Jesus, don't knock over the table. Oh, mini bulldog. Alright. That sure gives perspective on the size of these. These are normal sized lawn chairs. I say, I don't pick them up and carry them unless I just really have to. And it's not long, he's just too big. What else to find? What else to find? I know. Coffee. Bye-bye.